I am really hungry tonight, but I don't have much time. So here's an idea for a quick meal. Okay, I'm gonna cut up some onion. I don't need a lot. A couple of tablespoons. I have an iron skillet on the stove. I'm going to turn the burner on to get warm, get hot. Going to add a little bit of olive oil. And while my skillet's getting warm, I'm going to open up a can of water-packed tuna. What I'm making is basically the same as a salmon patty, but I have found that you can use tuna and there's not a lot of difference in the taste. It's very good. So I'm going to drain my tuna. I'm going to put the drained tuna into a bowl, medium-sized mixing bowl. My skillet should be hot. I'm going to put my onion in to saute. So I've got the 1 can of tuna. Stir that enough to get the lumps out. I'm going to add 1 medium to large egg. Stir that up. Now you can put raw onion in. You don't have to cook it, but sometimes the raw onion doesn't get done enough for me. I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of flour. My onion appears to be done. So I'm going to kind of strain the onion out of the olive oil. I really put more than I needed. Okay. Stir that up. So I've got 1 can of water-packed tuna, 1 egg, a tablespoon of flour, about 2 tablespoons of chopped up, finely chopped onions, put a little salt, and a little pepper. You might want to add more salt and pepper, but I usually under salt and under season as well. Okay, so I've got that stirred up, and my skillet, let me bring that back up. I shouldn't have turned it off. Alright, now I'm going to drop this a heaping tablespoon at a time into the olive oil. This is making 4 good size patties. And just let those cook till they're done on one side. Turn them over and let them brown on the other side. And we have a quick supper. In the meantime, I'm going to put a potato on to bake in the microwave. That one wasn't quite ready. I'm going to let the others cook a little bit longer. Let my baked potato cook in 2-minute increments. Turn it over after each one. It should be done in about 5 minutes. Going to turn my burner down just a little bit under the tuna patties. Turn my potato over. Make a little salad out of romaine and tomato. Make a little homemade salad dressing. Which is my favorite. It's my version of Thousand Island. Just mayonnaise and ketchup. Some people add Worcestershire, but I like it with just mayonnaise and ketchup. Add that to my salad. A little salt and pepper. Get my potato, my baked potato, out of the microwave. Add butter, salt and pepper, a little sour cream, and I have my meal. Quick as a wink. How easy is that? Thanks for stopping by.